Hey everyone, welcome back to AngularDecode. Today I'll show how I integrated Flowbite into an Angular project, the problems I face, why I picked Flowbite, and the exact step-by-step setup that worked for me. When I first tried adding Flowbite to an Angular app, I ran into a few real-world problems. Flowbite's components either looked unstyled or Tailwind classes were not applied. Some interactive components didn't initialize because Flowbite's JS wasn't loaded. I tried a couple of tutorials that used outdated PostCSS directives and imports, which didn't compile with Angular's build. That cost me time. So the challenge was, get Tailwind and Flowbite compiling and run Flowbite's JavaScript so components actually work reliably. The solution was straightforward once I fixed the configuration. Install Tailwind correctly with PostCSS plus auto prefixer. Let Tailwind scan Angular templates and Flowbite's files. Import Tailwind directives into the global style sheet. Register Flowbite as a Tailwind plugin and include Flowbite's JS so data attribute components initialize. I'll show the exact commands. Why Flowbite? It's a Tailwind-based component library with a set of production-ready UI components, modals, dropdowns, navbars, and more, that follow Tailwind patterns. It saves time, keeps design consistent, and integrates well when Tailwind is configured correctly. For prototypes or admin dashboards, it's a huge time saver. Let's implement it. I'll show the corrected and reliable steps I used. Now add a Flowbite component, a modal with data attributes, and click the toggle. If everything is configured, the styles will appear and the modal will open. And that's it. Flowbite integrated into Angular. You now have Tailwind compiling with Flowbite components and Flowbite's JavaScript initializing interactive elements. This setup keeps your app fast and lets you use a rich set of UI patterns quickly. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world Angular fixes, and drop a comment if you hit a problem. I'll help you debug it. Thanks, and keep decoding.